Express Plumbing Solutions, because when you have a plumbing emergency, you want it fixed now. We guarantee same-day emergency service that will be on time or call first, or the first hour is free. We're the drain cleaning and maintenance plumbing experts that have all the latest equipment and more cars on the road to get things fixed fast. Our team of licensed plumbers ensure the very best in workmanship and customer service. Express Plumbing Solutions is a family-owned and run business. We pride ourselves on getting the job done right the first time. Don't waste your time and money. Get help from the experts. See expressplumber.com.au.